Most party plans start with a budget, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how I planned this Paw Patrol themed second birthday party in a hotel room. I'm going to give you guys all the deets, where you can find everything, so stay tuned. The idea of renting a hotel room may sound a bit expensive or just kind of unreal for a kid's birthday party, but let me tell you guys, as far as venues goes, hotel rooms can cost just the same and sometimes even less than other birthday party places. And if you get a hotel room that also has a swimming pool, you're actually getting a 2-for-1. The activity and the space, and then once the party is over, you guys get to relax for the rest of the night. The other thing that I did for this party was that I used things that were already in the hotel room. So the desk that is used as an office desk, I just simply covered it with a 90 by 132 tablecloth. It fit perfectly. And then I used a collapsible backdrop, a portable backdrop that was super lightweight in order to put up the Paw Patrol backdrop. And I got both of those from Amazon, along with the doggy bags that you see here that each kid got as a party favor. And I will be sure to link all of those down below. I do have an Amazon store, and I will leave that link down below so that you guys can go in and take a look at everything if you are interested in it. So once I got the backdrop set up, Rachel started to put together all of the desserts, and I was so thankful to have her to help me on this day because it was extremely hectic. The air went out in the studio, and I was trying to get everything lined up in time for Lux Academy. Now, one of the things that I loved about these drawstring backpacks was that they were very, very well made, and then I just loved the fact that they came in the different primary colors, which was very beautiful for kids, like very eye-catching for the kids. So here is an overview of what the room actually looks like once I put everything in place. It was something in the air. It was something in the You guys know that Rachel always does an amazing job on the treats, and everything just turned out so gorgeous and it fit perfectly in that space. Now, another activity that I had was this Paw Patrol activity rug that I purchased at Walmart. I will see if I can find the link. I will link this down below as well. But the kids could definitely just get the little cars and drive and play on the floor. And I thought that was such a fun activity. So they had one with Chase and one with Marshall from Paw Patrol. So this would be great also to use in a room for home decor. So once the party was over, a lot of the items that I had purchased for this party were also doubled as birthday gifts for him so that he could put them in his room when his mom made over his room in the Paw Patrol theme. I really love this activity rug. It was so much fun, and the kids had such a blast playing on it in the hotel room, and it's very portable. All you had to do was roll it up and go. So again, one of the other things I wanted to show you was that you need a collapsible backdrop stand. You guys know I have both the heavy duty one and the more of the photography one that folds up and goes into a small, super small, thin duffel bag. And for this event, if I had not had this stand, it would not have worked because the ceilings were way too low in this hotel room and it was too cumbersome to get it up to the elevator. So the elevator went out because we had this lightweight piece. We were able to get everything on one cart and take it up at one time because one of the elevators were out in the hotel room. And then they also had these Marshall pillows that I included on the bed, and I also included it on the table, on the dessert table. So it just turned out so amazing. It was so colorful and the kids absolutely love it. Again, I will leave everything down in the description box below. Another tip that I have for you is to get a room that are conjoining rooms, so you could actually like party in one room and then you could sleep in another room if you wanted to do that option. But I just wanted to share with you guys the different options for that as well. And the last thing that I wanted to share with you all was the actual outdoor pool. This was an amazing hotel, and I absolutely love the fact that it had a kid pool area where the kids could play. They had a slide. It was absolutely amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed my tips for hosting a birthday party at a hotel. And I also have a video step by step on how to put together a dessert table. I will link that down below, as well as all the links to everything that you saw in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Share this with your kids. I like to call them the little Luxers. So share this with the little Luxers. Let me know how they enjoyed it. Let them comment or comment for them down below. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers. When you